Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to get a preview of your Bing ads. So ads which you have here on Bing ads. So with Google, of course, it works like you go to all campaigns, you select the campaign, then you go to ads and extensions, you go down to your ad, and on the right side you see your pen which actually says edit. You click on edit and then you will see your ad on the right side. Usually there are more options. I don't know why I don't have more options. Usually I see specific options for let's say mobile phone, desktop, and other options, as well as Google search or YouTube. I don't know why there's no more, but anyway, here you have it. It's really right by your app. Of course, it could be a little bit easier. I don't understand why I have to click on edit, but at least it works even when you have pictures. So how is it on Bing ads? Bing ads usually works pretty similar to Google ads, and here we have the same thing. We have the campaign, and then we go to, the menu is not vertical, it's horizontal. That's the main difference between Google and Bing. But apart from that, you have also the ads tab. You go down on the right side, you have this pen, you can click on edit and you get pretty same preview. You get the top view, side view, mobile view, so that works pretty good. But if you have pictures, that doesn't work. Like with Google, you would see the picture here. With Bing ads, you don't see the pictures here. For some strange reason, they have decided to make their own tool, and this is here the title, the top thing. You click on tool and there's an ad preview and diagnostic tool. I don't know why they have built this. Diagnostic would be okay to have different or separate, but ad preview, I don't like this separate thing. But anyway, so here you enter the keyword which somebody would enter. Let's say you have specified a shirt, you have a shop like online store selling shirts, and you have the keyword shirt, and then you enter the keyword shirt, and you can choose where you want to see it, either from desktop, mobile, or tablet, and then you have more choices, and you can even choose the language if you have different languages, and so on. And then you click on preview and it starts searching. So it's actually simulating the process how your customers would search for something and then see your ad. The only difference is when you see your ad here, it doesn't cost you any money. That's the idea, of course. At the moment, there seemed to be a problem. Unfortunately, I cannot show you any of my ads. I've been talking to the Bing ad support. They haven't been able to help me so far, but I think I'm at the right location. They reconfirmed me that it's really here. That's in tool, ad preview and diagnostic, and yeah, it should actually work. I don't know why it's not working at the moment. I hope it will work for you too. And anyway, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, problems, comments, something like that, just write to the feedback area, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.